Hey, what's up guys? It's Lem here again, your tech guide. Today we are going to be checking out some more Ringke Bezel styling. This one has a groove on the outer edge. So I'm going to see how this thing will look like when you actually combine with the Ringke inner bezel styling. Let's see if it looks good or not. So let's open this up. Alright, so as you can see, there is your outer bezel styling. I don't know if you guys could see that groove there. Okay, and pretty much this is all what you get. You don't get an extra double-sided tape. So as you can see, I have my tempered glass screen protector installed along with the Ringke inner bezel styling. So let's mount this on there. Remove the back cover of the sticker, and all you need to do is just place it on top. Okay, and just push it down. It goes nice and easy there, guys. I didn't have to take any put any effort to it or push on top of it. It just goes smoothly on top, and as you can see, the watch just makes a completely different looking watch. Let's go from the side here so you can really see what the groove looks like, and it just looks really nice, guys. Alright, so that's what it looks like on the wrist. They do have other colors and other designs as well. I might go check them out as well after I'm done reviewing with this one, but I love this one. This thing looks really good with a combination of the inner bezel styling. It just looks amazing, guys. A completely different watch. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video of the Ringke bezel styling with the tempered glass screen protector along with the Ringke inner bezel styling. If you guys have any other questions, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.